Learn to speak in English yourself. Lesson 18, conjunctions. And, or, but, लेकिन. Not only but also. ना केवल बल्कि. Both and, दोनों और. दो, यद्यपि, हालांकि. although. either और, या तो या. neither nor, ना तो ना. so that, इतना की. to के लिए अधिक. while, जब, जबकि. as well as, के साथ साथ, के अलावा. yet, फिर भी, के बावजूद भी. enough to, के लिए पर्याप्त. also, भी. to, no less than, से कम नहीं. otherwise, नहीं तो, अन्यथा. else, और, अथवा. still, तो भी, फिर भी. yet, nevertheless, तो भी, फिर भी, के बावजूद. however, whereas, जबकि. while, जबकि. only, केवल. therefore, इसलिए. so, इसलिए. then, तब, तो, इसलिए. for, चूंकि, क्योंकि. that, कि, because, क्योंकि. since, चूंकि, जब से. as, जैसे कि. समान. in order that, ताकि. so that, lest should. if, यदि, अगर. unless, यदि नहीं. if not, जब तक. provided, यदि. provided that, as if, जैसे कि. whether, चाहे. notwithstanding, के बावजूद. as much as, के समान. more, ज्यादा. less, कम. so far as, जहां तक कि. according as, के अनुसार. as soon as, जैसे. ईरे, के पहले, से पहले. till, तक. until, before, से पहले. after, के बाद. so long as, जब तक कि. whence, from where, कहां से. जहां से. no sooner than, scarcely when, as though, as if. in case, माना कि अगर. तो yet, हालांकि, फिर भी. whether, और, चाहे या ना चाहे. on condition that, इस शर्त पर कि. even if, के बावजूद भी. होने पर भी. then, के बजाय. wisdom is better than ruby. lest should, in order that not, या for fear that he ran away, lest he should be killed. unless, इसकी जगह except यूज कर सकते हैं. unless, without. is black as coal, इतना काला जितना कि कोयला. is brave as a lion, इतना बहादुर जितना कि एक शेर. as to, के बारे में. nor, ना ही. also not, I shall not do it, nor shall I allow it. Why? There is no reason why I should wait for you. There is no reason why I should spend on you. तो आपने देखा कि why वाक्यों को जोड़ भी सकता है. And you and Manish are my brothers. तुम और मनीष मेरे भाई हो. Sita and Vimla are my friends. You and I are going to Jaipur. His friends and Gopal were cooking food. Ram and Rakesh have taken lunch. She prepared tea and took it with me. My brother went in and bought tickets for us. She went in to the hall and met him. The teacher came to the class and began to teach the students. अध्यापक कक्षा में आया और विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ाना शुरू किया. My mother is in the kitchen and is preparing food. My friend has come from Sikar and taking tea. My dog sits at the door and barks at the strangers. The headmaster is sitting in his office and doing his work. Babita took her bag and went to school. बबीता ने अपना बैग लिया और स्कूल गई. But he worked hard for the exam but could not pass. उसने परीक्षा के लिए कठिन परिश्रम किया लेकिन पास नहीं हो सका. सीता requested me to help her but I did not help. I warned him yesterday but he did not care. मैंने उसे कल चेतावनी दी परंतु उसने परवाह नहीं की. He does not like cricket but will watch the match. He is late but he will come. Not only but also. ना केवल वह खाना बनाएगी साथ ही चावल भी बनाएगी. She will cook not only food but also rice. वह ना केवल लंबी है बल्कि सुंदर भी है. She is not only tall but also beautiful. बबीता न केवल आगरा बल्कि दिल्ली भी गई. बबीता visited not only Agra but also Delhi. Not only Ram but also Mohan went to school. Not only the teacher but also the student are sleeping in the hostel. Not only the boys but also the monitor is making a noise. Both end. वह उसे ग्रामर और टेंस दोनों पढ़ाए. She will teach him both grammar and tenses. I am both a tailor and a teacher. Mohan will purchase both a car and a scooter. Tourist England or France दोनों से आए. Tourist came from both England and France. वह सुंदर और बुद्धिमान दोनों है. She is both beautiful and wise. Both Rita and Fatima sang well. Both English and Sanskrit are important languages. Both Rani and Kamla have dogs. Both the teacher and Rakesh were writing story. उसकी माता और वह दोनों सेब पसंद नहीं करते. Both he and his mother do not like apples. तो although हालांकि वह गरीब है वह ईमानदार है. Though he is poor, he is honest. यद्यपि तुम लेट थे अध्यापक ने तुम्हें दंड नहीं दिया. Although you were late, the teacher did not punish you. यद्यपि तुम्हें बुलाया नहीं गया था तुम फंक्शन में गए. Though you were not invited, you attended the function. Although Raju is weak, he won the race. Though Sita has a car, she goes to office on foot. Either or. She is reading either a story or a novel. Sita plays either football or cricket. Raju went either to Ajmer or to Jaipur. She has been playing either cricket or tennis for 2 hours. Either the boys or the teacher is playing chess. Either my father or his friend has gone to Kota. Neither nor. Vimla is neither laughing nor weeping. You should come neither today nor tomorrow. She plays neither football nor cricket. Neither Ramesh nor Mohan learns this poem. Neither Sita nor Vimla went to Kashmir. Neither my brother nor his brothers played football. Neither my mother nor your mother takes tea. So that वह इतना गरीब है कि वह एक मकान नहीं खरीद सकता. He is so poor that he cannot purchase a house. लड़कियां इतनी थकी हुई थी कि वे खाना नहीं बना सकती थी. The girls were so tired that they could not cook food. She is so honorable that she cannot beg before others. Her mother was so old that she could not run fast. The news is so good that it cannot be true. The tea is so hot that I cannot take. The question was so difficult that they could not solve. The girls are so naughty that the teacher cannot control. The lesson is so difficult that Ramesh cannot understand. He runs so fast that he won the race. I am so tired that I cannot walk anymore. टू वृद्ध इतना कमजोर था कि चल नहीं सकता था. The old man was too weak to walk fast. Sita is too tired to cook food. He is too old to learn things. The print was too small for my grandmother to read. It was too cold for us to sit out in the open. The question is too difficult for me to answer. इतना अंधेरा है कि हम कुछ देख नहीं सकते. It is too dark for us to see anything. While मैं काम कर रहा था जबकि वह सो रही थी. I was working while she was sleeping. He went out while his wife was cooking food. They visited the Taj Mahal while they were in Agra. As well as वह उसके साथ साथ उसके मित्र ये आम खरीद चुके हैं. He as well as his friends had bought these mangoes. He as well as his brother came to see us. I as well as Jyoti am absent. Ram as well as they was present there. Yet फिर भी के बावजूद भी घर बहुत बड़ा है तो भी आश्चर्यजनक रूप से साफ है. The house is very big, yet it is surprisingly clean. I shall come, yet they will not be happy. He is strong, yet he refuses to work hard. Rustam is very healthy, yet he is very unhappy. Enough to रमेश ट्रेन को पकड़ने के लिए पर्याप्त तेज भागा. रमेश ran fast enough to catch the train. This book is cheap enough to buy. He is intelligent enough to solve this question. Conjunctions के हमने कुछ सामान्य उदाहरण देखे. Conjunctions वे शब्द हैं जो दो शब्दों या दो वाक्यों को जोड़ते हैं. Conjunctions का कार्य फ्राज या सेंटेंस को छोटा बनाना है. कुछ मिश्रित उदाहरण. She came and sat behind her husband. वह आई और अपने पति के पास बैठ गई. Take it or leave it. इसे ले लो या छोड़ दो. Did you know that she was my sister? क्या तुम जानते थे कि वह मेरी बहन थी? I cannot see how she can win. मैं नहीं समझ सकता कि वह कैसे जीत सकती है. She must weep or she will die. उसे रोना चाहिए नहीं तो वह मर जाएगी. Work hard, otherwise you will not pass. कठिन परिश्रम करो नहीं तो तुम पास नहीं होगे. Else या otherwise का अर्थ है अन्यथा. He is very rich, yet he is not happy. He had no chance of success. Nevertheless, he tried. Wise men love virtue, while fools shun it. He was found stealing, therefore he was fined. उसे चोरी करते हुए पकड़ा गया था, इसलिए उस पर जुर्माना लगाया गया. He did not work, so he failed. He will pass, for he works very hard. वह पास होगा क्योंकि वह कठिन परिश्रम करता है. He died before he reached 30. What till or until I return? इंतजार करो जब तक कि मैं वापस आऊं. I returned after he had gone. I will leave as soon as you come. His name will live as long as the world lasts. It happened when I was in Mumbai. He entered as the clock struck 11. I love her because she loves me. I will go there since you desire it. Let us go to bed as it is 12 क्योंकि 12 बजे हैं. चलो सो जाओ. She wept so much that she fell ill. He was so intelligent that he won the first prize. We eat that we may live. He worked hard so that he might pass. Walk carefully lest you should fall. He works hard in order that he may become rich. I will dismiss you if you are late again. I agree to these terms, provided you agree to mine. He ran as if he had been shot. You cannot be pardoned unless you confess your fault. He is an honest man, although he is poor. He is not contented, though he is very rich. He will never pass, however hard he may try. He is as clever as I. वह उतना ही चालाक है जितना मैं. I like her as much as you. He likes me no less than you. He is cleverer than you. Man will reap as the sow. लोग जैसा बोएंगे वैसा काटेंगे. There is no such country as you mention. She is not such a woman as you admire. Such is your behavior that I cannot tolerate. He is not as rich as you think. It is clear as the sun. यह उतना ही स्पष्ट है जितना सूरज. Scarcely had he reached the station when it began to rain. No sooner had she heard the news that she started off. He is stronger than I. वह मुझसे अधिक ताकतवर है. I love you better than him. मैं तुम्हें उससे ज्यादा प्यार करता हूँ. I love you better than he. He is as strong as I. वह मेरे जितना ताकतवर है. She can jump as high as I. वह उतना ऊंचा कूद सकती है जितना मैं. I would have the watch rather than the pen. She has no other hobby than this. I shall not begin the work unless you promise to help me. Unless you confess your fault, you shall be punished. He did as he was told to do. She dances as her mother does. Unless you work hard, you will fail. Take care lest you should fall. He asked how I was feeling. He inquired where the school was. He asked me where Mohan had gone. 2 months have passed since he left the school. The plants will die before the rains fall. ध्यान देवें, शुद्ध रूप में कंजंक्शन केवल उन्हीं शब्दों को कहते हैं जो केवल मात्र दो शब्दों या दो वाक्यों को जोड़ते हैं. वाक्यों को बहुत से रिलेटिव एडवर्ब, रिलेटिव एडजेक्टिव तथा प्रीपोजिशंस भी जोड़ने का काम करते हैं, परंतु वे अपना काम भी करते हैं. I will go whether he comes or not. मैं जाऊंगा चाहे वह आए या नहीं. It was hardly 10 a.m. when I told him he is as much greedy as miserable. He has no relation or friend. I never lived there or even went there before. I shall wait until you come. I shall fail unless you help me. I would rather go than stay at home. I would rather have a car than a scooter. I was helped by no other than the principal himself. He is stronger than you. She is more beautiful than your sister. I do not know whether or if he has gone or not. मैं नहीं जानता कि वह चला गया है या नहीं. I doubt whether he will help me or not. I do not doubt that he will help me. I do not know whether he is honest or not. The reason he failed is that he did not study seriously. The sun will set before you reach. He will retire before a month passes. He behaved as if he was the king. He helped me as though he was my son. He failed because he did not work hard. He worked hard in order that he may secure first position. I have never seen him since his father died. You can have apples or grapes. Go at once, or you will be late. While I was in service, I never saw him. While the students slept, the maid cooked the food. While the boys sang, the girl danced. He could not teach me because he was lazy. He said that he was ill. I promise that when I come next, I will bring your book. He asks what the time was. I do not know when he will come. He does not know where she is. वह नहीं जानता वह कहाँ है. I know what he says is not true. This book is as good as that. This book is not so good as that. This book is better than that. Even if he is selfish, I will help him. No matter what you say, I will go ahead. However fast he may drive, he cannot reach in time. Whatever be the case, he will remain my friend. You will succeed provided you are honest. He will succeed provided that he deals honestly. वह सफल होगा यदि वह ईमानदारी से व्यवहार करे. हमने देख लिया है कि कंजंक्शंस का कार्य है दो वाक्य तथा दो शब्दों को जोड़ना. आम बोलचाल में उपयोगी सभी कंजंक्शंस की सूची उनके हिंदी शब्दार्थ सहित आप पढ़ चुके हैं. पर्याप्त उदाहरणों द्वारा प्रत्येक कंजंक्शंस के उपयोग प्रयोग भी आपने देख लिए हैं. अंग्रेजी में बोलने के लिए आप कुछ भी रटने, याद करने, नियम याद करने की कोशिश ना करें. आपकी अंग्रेजी भाषा में रुचि स्वतः ही आवश्यक शब्द, नियम आपके मस्तिष्क में भर देगी. लेकिन मैं सलाह देता हूं कि लेसन 10 अर्थात प्रीपोजिशंस, लेसन 17 अर्थात रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन, लेसन 18 अर्थात कंजंक्शंस एंड लेसन 20 अर्थात डिटरमाइनर्स को आप यथासंभव अधिकतम मात्रा में याद कर लें, रट लें, क्योंकि ये शब्द याद करना व उनका हिंदी अर्थ समझना हम हिंदी भाषियों के लिए अपरिहार्य है. इसके बिना आपका सामान्य अंग्रेजी ज्ञान अधूरा रहेगा. इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो समाप्त होता है.